You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these artist, French painter. If you want to learn more confusing names from arts, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So let's break down the French pronunciation first. Jean-Honoré Fragonard. Jean-Honoré Fragonard. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Jean-Honoré. The H is silent. Jean-Honoré Fragonard. The D is silent. Jean-Honoré Fragonard, or the French pronunciation, Jean-Honoré Fragonard. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.